What's up everybody, this is Yair and today I'm gonna draw Gohan. Okay, so today I'm gonna draw Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. It's gonna be Gohan from the Buu saga, but not Mystic Gohan. I'm gonna draw Gohan from the time he prepared for the tournament. So, without further ado, let's do this. Enjoy the process and stick with me till the end of the video. Here goes! Wow! Done! Everybody? So, let's take a look at the final product. Okay, so as you can see, I chose a low angle shot. We got Gohan in his base form. I use two types of lighting. We got the blue and we got the blue-green. And of course I use the same colors for the background, trying to get Gohan a nice little glow. In addition to that, I used some acrylics, some white ink, blue and green, and just spread it all around. And overall I'm really satisfied with the result. As you can see, this is probably the first time in years that I drew a character smiling, so most of the times they're just pissed off. But because it's not a Super Saiyan form, it's his basic form, so I decided to go with a facial expression that looks calm and happy. So let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section. If you want a portrait commission as well, you can email me at yairsason22@gmail.com for prices. And of course, make sure to subscribe. I upload new videos every weekend. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep being awesome as always. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.